Happy weekend! Gawa tayo na almusal ng kids and baon. Dito pa si Ben, so meron tayong help today. Good morning! Breakfast na sila. He's getting ready. Happy
Sunday.
Friday. Yung ko ba palagi Sunday yan ng Sunday si Riker?
Ow, my feet.
What happened to your feet? Si Daddy binopen niya yung, inon niya yung TV. Daddy talaga. Gawa kayo lunch boxes, guys.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. Look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling, but there's something missing in your eyes.
Ayan. We're here na sa sports ni Riker, guys. Magre-relieve siya ng isa kasi nga absent siya nung Friday. Kaya I got him some orange here. Ito rice crackers and it's gluten-free. Ito yung mga sugar-free na gummies. Ngayon ko lang siya binaunan yan. Kaya yan yung inuna niya, oh.
What's that?
That's it. Gummy.
No. It's more.
Okay sila ngayon, guys. Hockey. Wait for your turn. So we're back home. Pero alis na ako kaagad kasi nagaya yung girls mag-Burnside. And sakto, magmamall din sana ako ngayon kasi nga bibili ako ng regalo ng anak ng kaibigan ko. So yeah. I-meet ko sila. Si Manay. Kasi nga parang nandito siya para sa opera ni John. Sa surgery niya. So yeah. And sakto sila. Nag-half day naman siya. And he's happy to look after the kids. So, gagamitin ko yung car niya kasi obviously susunduin niya si Harley. Obviously, siya yung susundo kay Harley.
Welcome back from Houston.
Siya yung susundo kay ate kung hindi ako umabot sa school pick-up. Alas 11 na. So, let's go. Kapaka-car wash pa ako.
Hindi na magkasya.
Buti lang si stick na lang.
Hindi na yung tripod na gano'n.
Naka-shopping na kami sa Zara. And
ano binili mo? Patingin?
Yung top. Bumili ako ng...
Hindi mo kinasya. Sinukat mo. Ang bilis mo.
Nag-fit ka pa. Bilis ko pa nag-fit. Dalawang yung pinit ko.
Ang ganda niya.
And bumili din ako ng pang regalo. Gusto niya na ba
Ay, Mars, parang ate na ata.
Ate na yan?
A cup of the steamed rice on the side, but now we're running out of the steamed rice at the moment.
Okay.
So can you have rice noodle or?
It's for him.
Yeah, just is it just a plain
Anyway, dito na ang
Yeah, that's
person.
fine. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, Susie. Ayan pala. Nandiyan na yung order niya, curry. Si Ate Holly nandito din. Ano nabili mo sa Zara?
This is curry. Let's do a Zara haul.
Yung Zara haul mo
Yung
yan.
top nga. Yung top.
Siya, ang dami niya Lululemon eh. Ayun o. Yung mga camera kasi ang liliit na.
Camera natin.
Oo. So, hindi na kami nag-overlap.
100 decimal.
Kaya yung mga camera. Sabi nga ni Manay, buti na lang
Hindi na
malaki
tayo
yung
magkakasya.
camera natin.
Kung hindi, wala na.
Hindi na magkasya. Wala nang space for food. Ras, that's me.
Ayan na, ako na kukuha.
Sige, please. Hindi, thank you.
Naka-noodles lang. Nalatik mo yung roast duck.
Roast duck yan?
Roast duck, ha? Ito na talaga nag-roast duck. You are what you eat. So, you're a duck.
Uy guys, panoorin niyo yung You Are What You Eat.
Sayang lang tayo talaga. Do you want rice?
Guys, ito pa rin. Kain tayo.
Ganyan.
Hearty rice. So, may white rice yan and roast duck. And salad, kain.
Just rice noodles. Naubusan sila ng rice eh.
Sila na talaga naubusan ng rice.
Naubusan sila ng rice. So, kapag may nag-order ng rice noodles,
Wala na, available.
Yeah, Arlo, here.
Siya para lip gloss, guys. Siya na talaga nang buy ng lip gloss.
Ito yung
Yeah,
pili.
let's
Alisin
try.
lang yung mga...
Mine's spicy daw. Okay.
Pili lang ako ng rice.
Yeah, it has a chili. Do you want to try the roast duck?
Just don't eat them.
The duck, no?
Yeah, ate. Sayang ng ano dong. Sana pala soup lang ang inanong ko. Sayang. Sayang may 4. Ano ka 4?
Pangkape mo na sana yun.
Kaya nga. At least kinakain niya kahit may meat.
Ayun, nag-order tayo ng kape guys. Kasi hindi pa ako nakakapagkape. Kasi late kami kanina. So, kape muna tayo baga tayo mag-lakad-lakad. Ayun pala yung LB. Nandiyan pa rin yung LB store. Ayan, kape tayo. Tambay mo na siya. Guys, dito kami sa Zara Kids. Bumalik kami dito. Meron silang Lightning McQueen na shoes. Oh, Riker. Kaso, ang dami niya na kasing shoes na yun. Ano ba yan? Kahit Lightning McQueen na top na lang. Meron kaya. Meron naman silang mga cars. Pero hindi Lightning McQueen. Shoes lang. Ito, ang ganda. Kaso feeling ko hindi pa yan size ni Riker. Oh, this one. Meron na siyang ganito eh. Red lang, hindi blue. Gusto niya yung mga ganito kasi basketball, ano daw siya. Look. Ay, how cute ng shoes! Oh my god, yung shoes, ang cute! Ay, nakakaloka naman to. Dahil naman, ang ganda ng shoes na to. Parang puma na ano. Ang cute! Ayan. Dito ako Lorna Jane, guys. Try ko lang tong tab na to. Ang cute niya eh. And this one. Mahilig ako sa ganyan. Ayan. So, nakabili ako ng dress sa Lorna Jane. Dito naman tayo sa Witchery, guys. So, try natin to. Ito, specifically, ang parang ang... Sana to ma. Sana yan maganda. This one looks really nice. Okay lang man siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-wow. I'm home, guys. Sino nyo si Riker? Tulog na tulog, oh. Si ate pinaliguan ko na yan. Magtupi tayo, guys. Bago tayo magluto. Mayroon pa pala akong tupiin sa labas, oh. Buklasin ko muna yan.
Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind, but I will make you forget.
Here's our dinner, guys. So, I roast some sweet potatoes. So, ayan yung akin. Steak kami ni Ben. And kids, egg yung protein nila and with some vegetables. So, hindi na ako gagamit ng corn. So, I instead go for green beans and green peas. So, ayan. Ito yung kay Harley pala. Hindi nakasya sa plate niya. So, ihatiin ko muna.
Take it away.
Gutom na si ate. Hindi nagkasya ang ating plato. Parang maliit na yung plato sa kanila, guys. Kami kay Harley ba? Ito sa tabi. Ang sarap ng steak, guys. So, ito na yung grass-fed. You wanna go to the beach? Ngayon ni Harley. Diba ko tulog pala sa is na, guys. $5.58. Diyan, pasok bukas. Hinitik ko na lang yung pagkain. Si Harley, guys. Kumakain na siya. Hi, everyone! Ano ba siya? Si Riker tulog pa din. Can you pause it, babe? Can you mute it? I think I can hear him. Inuuna niya yung sweet potato. Buti na lang din pala gulay naman siya. So, hindi naman siya mahirap pakainin ng gulay.
There's so much stress and anxiety.
We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright. All night, we're all about the good vibes. All about the good vibes.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Malapit na siya matapos, guys. And Riker's awake. Nakakatawa si Riker. Nagulat pa ako sa kanya kasi bigla siyang bumaba na lang. Dito na siya. Good eating, Holly. Oh my God. You ate all the sweet potato and carrots. Kinain niya pati yung balat Ayan. Dito na rin si Riker, guys. Kain na rin siya.
Gosh, that's so yummy. Water. I love you. Daddy got tomorrow off, everyone. Mummy, I do have to work Sunday and Monday. Oh no. What are you gonna do?
Say, guys, I'm eating green paste. Can you show them? You eat green paste? Eh? Nalagyan ko siya ng gulay. Hindi kita. And you eat the green. You show them you eat green paste, baby.
Mommy, you want to cut?
You want it cut? Okay. Visuals. Okay, I'll cut it. Here.
Mommy, birthday.
Ayan yung dinner ni Riker, guys. So, iniwan niya talaga yung mga gulay. Si ate naubos niya yung kanya. Kasi hindi ko na vlog. Yan, malinis na tayo. Good morning, guys. Happy weekend. Happy Saturday. We're off to do our grocery. Full force tayo today. Kasi gusto kong dalhin si Ben dun sa organic supermarket. So, dun kami muna. And then we have to go to Woolies too na. Should we go Woolies first? Ayan, grocery tayo, guys. Tapos din. Yeah. And then after this, mag-lunch tayo. And then punta tayo sa organic shop. Ayan you guys, we're up to a birthday party. So yun nga yung nabili ko kahapon na regalo. Gift card na lang. Para siya na yung bibili. Saan na yung cellphone ko, babe?
Woolworths.
Yeah.
Right, because I let him out the seatbelt because he's whinging and he's looking around everywhere and he goes, "Oh, Mummy nappy. Mummy bleeding."
Oh.
I'm not exaggerating.
Yeah, I know.
He said that.
I
said, "Why, Mummy nappy? Mummy bleeding."
He knows. So we're on the way sa birthday party, guys. So buti na lang yan, nakabili nga ako ng regalo ko ha.
Mommy gave me the candy.
Already 12:55. 1 o'clock yung party ni Princess Talia.
Now, what's the strategy if they see food they want?
I know. Ito lang yung mahirap.
I think they're allowed to have a cheat day, but you're the boss.
Well, first week pa lang nga natin eh. It's our first week on Monday. So, wala din palang pasok on Monday because it's a long weekend here. What is it? Adelaide Cup Day.
Is it Adelaide Cup or Labor Day?
I think
don't
it's
know.
Adelaide Cup.
Okay.
Yeah, so wala silang pasok. But anyway, yun lang, ito lang yung mahirap nga kapag may mga birthday party. Pag walang gluten na option, gluten free. So, good luck. Good luck tayo sa pagganyan.
Hey, where's this party?
Baya, kumain naman na sila eh. So,
You
Ate Talia.
gotta tell me.
Ayan si Harley guys. May roller skate pala. Hindi ko alam. Dapat pala dinala ko yung roller skate niya. Ayan si Riker. Ayan, may bouncing castle guys. Nandito si Riker. May basketball din eh. Well done! Sarang nandyan. Andun si ate nag-roller skate. Ang laki eh. Narent pala ni Madam yung buong stadium. Huh. Squid Game pala yung team ni Talia. Siya na talagang Squid Game. Ayun si Riker. Kala mo na maabot niya yung court. Ay, kunin natin si Harley guys. Si ate. Malaki kasi yung roller skate niya. Kaya niya naman yan mag-isa kaso malaki eh. Baka madulas siya. Ay. Maglaro yung mag-ama. Go, Raika! Good girl! Ayun yung team ni Talia, oh. Squid Game. Ayun, sarap ng hangin. Ang sarap naman ng Look at Riker, nandun na sa harap. Look at him. Yeah, I know. Sing happy birthday to ate. Ayun si Riker eh, oh. Nasa harapan siya. Sing happy birthday to Ate Talia. Okay, happy birthday. Day to you. Happy birthday, dear Talia. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Yay! Well done! Ayun lang si Ate Harley kasi sa bouncing aso. Si Riker nandun sa may scooter eh. Ayun oh. Nakita nyo ba? Ayun yun siya. Sila ba na yung naglalaro ng basketball? Si Riker nakikisilip dun sa kabilang party kanina. Ayun o, tinan mo, sisilip na naman siya dun. Ala, naki-party na siya. Babe! Babe, Riker! Oh. Ayun kami guys, ang dumaan na rin pala ako sa grocery. Sa market. Hindi na naman ako ng mga cherry tomatoes, mandarin. Ay! Lag, di ba? And then I got some nuts and I got some peaches. Yan, so mag-start na rin ako mag-apple cider vinegar in the morning. Nabili pa ako ng more frozen berries, strawberry naman, and blueberry. And then ito try ko to every morning din. Itong vitamin na to na hinahalo mo lang siya sa water or juice. I-mix ko na lang siya. Ayun, magiging snacks namin. Wow. guys. Chicken schnitzel ang aming ulam tonight with roast pumpkin and some carrots and broccoli and some brown rice. Seasonin ko lang yung ating ano. Ito na si ate. Little girl. Ano, she's just gonna grab some apple.
Now let's get to work.
I'll just chuck this in the oven.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how
Mommy,
much I
Mommy,
love
want
you?
the rice.
You put my favorite song on.
Yeah, the rice is still cooking, Bobby, but still hot, okay?
And when you make me put that
And I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Well, we're walking by the beach, guys. Look at the sunset. The sunset's na. Ganda, no? Ang daming tao sa beach, guys. Pero malamig na yung tubig niyan, eh. Pero ang ganda kasi ang calm-calm ng tubig. Oh, walang wind.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you?